Welcome to this video. Today, we'll explore the working animation of a loading and unloading valve in a screw compressor, breaking down its key components and their functions. Let's dive in. A loading and unloading valve controls the airflow in a screw compressor. During loading, it opens to allow air into the compression chamber, and during unloading, it closes to stop airflow, ensuring system efficiency. Fun fact: this valve helps save up to 30% of energy in compressors by reducing unnecessary air compression. Here are the components of loading-unloading valve: inlet port, non-return valve, diaphragm, plunger. Let's talk about each components. Inlet port: compressed air enters the valve assembly through the inlet port, initiating the loading process. NRV or non-return valve: the non-return valve ensures air flows in only one direction, preventing backflow during unloading. Diaphragm: as air pressure builds up, it pushes the diaphragm down, transferring the force to the spring. Plunger: the movement of the diaphragm compresses the spring, allowing the plunger to open the valve. Air enters through the inlet port, flowing smoothly into the valve. This initial movement is crucial for the compressor's operation. Next, the air passes through the non-return valve. A key fact about the NRV is that it not only prevents backflow but also protects the compressor from pressure surges, ensuring stable operation. Once the air moves into the diaphragm chamber, it begins to build up pressure. As the pressure increases, it eventually overcomes the spring force acting against the diaphragm. When the pressure builds sufficiently, the diaphragm presses against the plunger, causing it to open. This allows for a controlled release of air. Once the plunger opens completely, the air pressure drops, initiating the unloading process. This effectively reduces the pressure in the chamber, unloading the plunger and allowing the compressor to adjust to the required load. And that's how the loading and unloading valve functions in a screw compressor. Understanding this process is vital for appreciating how screw compressors operate efficiently. If you found this information helpful, please comment below with your thoughts or questions. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more insights and support my content so I can keep bringing you valuable information. Thanks for watching.